Hello everyone, it's Khalil Daniel and welcome to the greatest Python series. We are going to go from absolute beginner all the way up to working effectively as a Python developer. If you are brand new, this is the place to start. As promised in the previous video, in this video, we'll explore Python's interactive mode. So you might ask, what is interactive mode in Python? So interactive mode in Python allows you to execute code statements one at a time and see the results immediately. An example of how to use Python in interactive mode is what we did yesterday, but I'll just repeat it. If you open your terminal or command prompt and type Python 3 or just type Python, then press enter, you should see the Python prompt, these three angle brackets, indicating that you are in interactive mode. Now you can enter your Python commands. For example, I can type 5 plus 5. Then when I press enter, I'll see the results immediately, that is 10. And to exit the interactive mode, you can just type this function, it's called exit, then just press enter and you'll see the three angle brackets are now gone. Congratulations, that's your first Python example and you can go and apply for a senior software engineer position and just let them know that you learned everything from this video. They'll hire you, trust me. I'm just playing, there's a lot more to go and hopefully this is exciting because hey, you just wrote your first line of code. Apart from the terminal, you can run Python in interactive mode using idle. Idle is an acronym to mean Integrated Development and Learning Environment. And it's Python's default IDE, and it comes bundled with the Python installation. It provides an interactive shell along with the code editor. So let us explore how we can use idle and what it can do for us. To launch idle, you can just go to your list of applications and search for it. Once you see it, you can double click on it to open and it will open this page. So you can see here, we are already in interactive mode. You can say that because you can see there are these three angle brackets here. So once I'm here, I can just type my previous code like 5 plus 5. Then once I press enter, you can see I get the result 10. So you can see here it's easier to get into interactive mode using idle. You can just write any Python code here in this idle environment and it will just run fine. For example, I can print something. I can just say print hello world. Don't worry, we'll just learn about this syntax in the upcoming videos. So if I just click on enter, you can see it will print hello world in this environment. To summarize everything, interactive mode is used when a user wants to run one single line of code or one block of code. If one needs to write a long piece of Python code, or if the Python script spans multiple files, interactive mode is not recommended. Script mode is the one that is recommended. And in script mode, you write your code in a text file and then save it with the .py extension. To do that, you need to have a text editor. And that is what we'll do in the next video. We'll download a text editor that is called Visual Studio Code. So see you in the next video. Peace out.